Hello and welcome to my open house. My name is Cassandra Currier and I will be your math teacher for the school year. You are in one of two courses for me. You are either in a math analysis course paired with trigonometry, each of them being one semester, or you will be in my advanced topics course. These are my two favorite courses to teach. The reason for that being is it really reinforces the Algebra 2 skills that you need, making sure you have a strong foundation for when you get to college. And then we also, of course, get to do what I consider the fun stuff, which is the trick in both of the courses. So we will have a lot of fun this school year with those. I am entering my 14th year teaching. I think this is the start of my third full year here at Plant High School. So it's been a lot of fun working in a community where my daughter graduated. She graduated from Plant last year. So some of the basic supplies that you will need. Everyone will need a notebook of some sort. 1 subject, 2, 3, doesn't matter so much. What does matter is you will need at least 100 pages of notebook paper in your notebook. So at least 100 pages, and also possibly some loose leaf paper. You will also need a graphing calculator. The graphing calculator I suggest is either a TI-83 or a TI-84, any version of those. So I think the most common ones right now are an 83 plus C, something like that. The C just means the screen is in color. But any TI-83 or TI-84, any version of those two is what would be preferred. There will be a lot of work we do that's non-calculator based, but when we get to the stuff that we do need a calculator, we need one that works really well, and those are the ones that work well for the courses that I teach. They will pretty much carry you through a lot of your classes, so those would be the good models. I would actively avoid getting a TI Inspire. Those are actually not allowed on a lot of different tests, included SAT and ACT sometimes, depending on the model of the Inspire, and that also means they're not included or are not allowed to be used on some of our semester exams. So again, I would avoid the Inspire, which is the top end. Top end is not always the best, so avoid the Inspire and either get a TI-83 or a TI-84. Other than that, we also need pencils, erasers, maybe a pen or two. I do often use different color pens when I write notes, and so you may want that also just to kind of help understand the drawings and things that we're looking at. If I'm teaching from home, you will see a lot of this. This is my cat, Sean, and he likes to be the center of attention, and so if I'm teaching from home, you may see him frequently. The other thing that you will need, possibly, just to help minimize handing supplies amongst people, is maybe your own personal dry erase markers. Like Expo markers, so your own personal ones, and then also possibly your own little personal whiteboard, just a little one that you can put in your backpack. If you can't find a little personal sized whiteboard anywhere, one of the sleeve protectors, the plastic sleeve protectors with a sheet of paper in it, works just as good. And then something, of course, to erase that. An old sock or something like that, or whatever you might have to use as an eraser or an eraser. Socks tend to be nice and easy and don't take up a lot of room. A little fabric square or something that you have laying around would be good for that. So that is the basic school supplies, calculator, things that you need, the course you're taking, the main content. We will be utilizing Canvas pretty much daily, and that is going to be something new to everybody. We're used to EDSB. That is going away, and we are going to be using Canvas pretty much daily in class, so we'll focus a lot on that at the beginning of class just to make sure everybody's comfortable and understands how it works. And you will have homework almost daily as well, so just get that in your mind now so that you're ready to go with that. With that being said, I am available Monday through Friday, 7:30 to 3:30 work hours, to answer any and all questions. Parents, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I typically respond within the same business day, so if you send me an email, I'll usually be back to you within the same day. And then once Canvas is up and going, it'll be also just as easy to message me through there. I look forward to having a great school year and hopefully meeting everybody in person soon.